Welcome to the Kingpin free pick video sponsored by Kingpin.pro. Download the app on the Google Play or Apple App Store today. Link in the description of this video. Go ahead and smash that like button and also be sure to subscribe for more free picks. At Kingpin, you don't just follow one handicapper, you follow the best of all the handicappers. Here are the NHL handicapper rankings on the screen. And of course, these free picks are not financial advice. Bet at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And if you have a gambling problem, please contact the number on the screen. So let's get to this one between the Golden Knights and the Hurricanes. Free picks are on fire, 54 and 40. It's 58%. NBA even more on fire, 22 and 7. 5 and 3 yesterday so far. All the games haven't ended. Carolina, 27 and 11 overall, 13 and 5 at home, 20 and 6 with Anderson between the pipes. Vegas, 24 and 17, 11 and 5 on the road, and 7 and 4 with Broussard on between the pipes. The machine learning model has Carolina winning this one 57% of the time. Heading on over to the app, we do see that the top cappers are going with the Carolina Hurricanes. And you can see it's a 2-lock sharp pick. Listen, it's not a huge model. The model's not telling me it's 90% to win or anything crazy. But we're going with the Hurricanes money line. The model plus the top cappers, Hurricanes. Go ahead and smash that like button and also be sure to subscribe for more free picks. If you want to see more NHL, NBA, NFL, MLB, tennis, MMA, boxing, soccer, cricket, picks for all sports, download the Kingpin app. We rank all the top bettors. You just follow the best.